Hi class, I hope you're happy. Today pick up your activity book and open homework page 75. And in this page, we don't check this page because it's your answer and I don't know your answer. And we will check only this page. Listen and say, complete this sentence and choose the words, draw the picture. And in this part, you wrote your answer. Pick up your red pencil or colorful pencil. In this part, listen and check, okay? It's your answer true or false. Yes, one.
What's the weather like? It's wet and windy.
Yes, two.
Why are you wearing a sweater? Because it's cold today.
Three.
Where were you on Friday? I was at the waterfall.
Yes, and four.
What's your favorite wild animal? It's a whale.
Yes. In the first one, what is the weather like? So I choose this. What is the weather like? It is wet and windy. Two. Why are you wearing a sweater? So wearing in here because it is cold today. And three, where were you on Friday? And I was at the waterfall. And the last one, what is your favorite wild animal? It's a whale. So I will click check. Yes, all of them true. If your answer true, please put little tick. If your answer not true, please change your answer and write the true answer. And I will close this. In this part, you wrote your story. Burayı da geçiyorum. Sayfa 75 ve 76'daki bir bölümü geçiyorum. Çünkü bunlar sizin kendi özel cevaplarınız. Yani eğer bana özelden atarsanız birlikte kontrol ederiz yanlışınız var mı diye. Ama zaten burası size özeldi. Hani üçünden birini seçecektiniz ve kendi hikayenizi oluşturup şuraya da küçük bir resim çizecektiniz. Çizmek isteyenler çizebilir. Çizmek istemeyenler çizmeseler olur. 75'te de yine aynı şekilde sizin özel cevaplarınız olacağı için yani herkesin farklı cevabı olacağı için bu kısmı da atlıyorum. Ama şu özellikle 8. bölümü atarsanız ben de size WhatsApp'tan geri dönüş sağlamış olurum. Doğru mu yaptınız, yanlış mı yapmışsınız diye. And jukebox, which is quicker, hot or cold? Hot because you can catch a cold. Good. It's a jukebox. Yani burayı biliyorsunuz zaten. Kötü espri dediğimiz şeyler yazıyordu. Which is quicker? Hot or cold? Which one is quicker? It's answer hot because you can catch a cold. It's a bad joke. And now we will do page 78. Pick up your people's book and open page 78. Yes, music instrument. I like this page because it's about musical instrument. So first we look at this part, fact part. Woodwind instrument can be made of wood, metal or plastic. It's about this picture. Woodwind about üflemeli. So it's like a flute. Okay? Üflemeli. And the percussion, it's about vurmalı. And the brass, can you see? This picture brass. It's about in Turkish pirinçten yapılmış. Yani bu bir metal gibi düşünün. Ve genelde sarı gördüğünüz gibi resimde. We say this brass and last one is strings. It's like a guitar, violin. This is strings. So we can say telli. Okay? And look at this part, orchestra is a big group of musicians. Musicians are people who play different musical instruments. There are four different families of a musical instruments in an orchestra, and these four families are called brass, woodwind, string, and percussion. Look at this question. Which kind of instruments do you hit and shake? Do you know this? Hit and shake. Which one? Percussion, woodwind, brass, string. Which one? Hit and shake. The answer is percussion. It's about hit and shake. And two, which kind of instruments do you play with your mouth? It's about mouth. Look at the picture. Percussion, woodwind, brass, string. Which one about mouth? We can say two answers, brass and woodwind. And three, which kind of instruments do you play with a bow? Do you know bow? It's like a yai. Yes. The answer is strings. Strings, can you see this page? It's about strings. We can say violin. Yes. Now, don't forget bow. It's yai. Okay? Yai. And now, listen and check your answer.
Pupils Book, page 78. 2. Listen and check.
Brass. You blow air into the instruments with your mouth.
Yes. It's about question 2. Yes, brass, you blow air into the instruments with your mouth. Yes. Which kind of instruments do you play with your mouth? The answer is brass. And go. Yes, we hear two instruments. One of them tuba, the other is trumpet.
Percussion. You hit or move the instruments quickly.
Yes, percussion. You hit or move the instruments quickly. Listen.
Strings. You move a bow or your fingers across the strings.
Yes, strings. Remember the page or picture, sorry. Strings. You move a bow or your fingers across the strings. Listen.
Woodwind. You blow air into or across the opening of the instrument.
Yes, woodwind. You blow air into or across the opening of the instrument. Listen. Yes. Our answers are all of them true. So look at this part. Wait a minute. Activity 3. Listen, say brass, woodwind, strings, or percussion. Listen carefully and look at these little pictures and choose the best answer. Yes, this is very easy. The answer is brass. Yes, two is it's a flute, so we can say woodwind. Yes, it's a violin, so we can say strings. Yes, what is this? Do you know this? It's very easy. It's about woodwind again, and can you see this picture? It's a triangle. So it's about percussion. Yes, it's a double bass. It's about strings, tellerle ilgili. And next one. Yes, you hit the instrument, so we can say it's about percussion. Next one. Yes, it's brass or woodwind. Which one? It's about brass. Yes, we finished this page and next page. Yes, I like this part. This piece of music describe the weather, okay? What can we say about the weather? Listen carefully.
1.
Yes, one. How is the weather in this music? Okay? And listen two. How is the weather?
2.
And choose the true picture. How is the weather in this music? And three. How is the weather again?
3.
And choose the true answer for three and four. What is the weather like? Or how is the weather?
4.
Yes, let's check. Do you remember the first song? I think it's about B or D. Yes, let's look at it. Yes, one B, or we can say D. Okay, you can choose the D. It's not a problem. B or D. What's the two? The answer is. Do you remember the song? Two is D. What's the three? It's like a rain. So 3A. And the four, it's about spring. So we can say C. Okay. And this part, project part, is your homework. And make a percussion instrument. You can use plastic bottles, beans, scissors, glue, and choose one instrument and do this, okay? İstediğiniz bir enstrümanı yapabilirsiniz. Percussion'la ilgili olabilir. İstiyorsanız telli bir çalgı yapabilirsiniz. Sizin proje ödeviniz. Bir resminizi istiyorum. İsterseniz şarkı yapıp atabilirsiniz bize. WhatsApp'tan atabilirsiniz bana. Yani şunu istiyorum sadece. Elinizde onunla müzik yapabileceğiniz bir enstrüman oluşturmanız. Yes. And now I will give your homework. This page and this page, 79 and 78 your homework. Yes. Look at this part. Brass, string, percussion and woodwind. Choose the pictures and draw line. And two music cues, and look at the question and choose the best answer, A, B or C. And the last homework, it's about this activity. There are 5 blanks and read the text, choose the right words and write them on the lines, okay? Fill in the blanks with these words. And see you on Friday.